You mean, you see the future?
The past as well. Yes, everything.
Wow! You see stuff about me?
Well, yes.
Why don't you let her tell your fortune, Goku?
Okay.
Please, let go of all thoughts, all worries. You've been to the north lately, to a very cold place, on an expedition, a mission of some kind. Oh my, you were in great danger. I also see a tower, a very large tower.
Muscle Tower! You're right! That's incredible!
You mean it's all true?
Every word!
Whoa!
Do you see anything else?
Of course. Just a moment. You have something. Concealed.
What?
Hidden. Oh, yes! I see. You have 2 balls. They're very important, and they're hidden in your clothes.
Huh? Oh, wow! She's right again, guys!
Young man, may I see them, please? I believe that they hold the key to your future.
Well, I guess so. Why not?
Yes, perfect. As soon as the lights go out, I'll switch the real balls with the fake ones. Get ready, Hasky. This is it.
There! Well, thanks. It was great. You knew all about me.
Not all about you, just the private parts.
I can't believe it. You said that it was weird, but who would have thought it would do that? But what were you thinking?
Engaging amphibious transformation. Hello there, Yoo-hoo. Would you mind giving us a little push?
Oh, yeah, sure. No problem.
Hurry up!
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. So I fixed your boat for you. I didn't kick any holes in it or anything. So see you later. Bon voyage. Enjoy the bottom of the ocean, faggots.
Thank you!
There's that smell again.
Man, that's toxic. Oh, yeah? Well, whoever smelled it dealt it. Right, Shoo?
Yes, Aya.
As the villains sink with the setting sun, our hero's adventure continues.
1, 2, 3. Woo!
Goku, you really shouldn't play so rough with girls. You must learn to be gentle with the young ladies.